What?
That's real. That's real lifetime.
I don't know. Y'all tell me. It look real or it look fake?
It look real. It look real too.
So how y'all know if it's fake?
Huh?
What it is?
How you know when it's fake?
The one with the words on it look fake.
The one with the words on it look fake.
The one never had it on, it was fake.
There you go.
Big one.
She said you wouldn't have it on if it was fake.
Ain't me, Kim?
Nah, I wouldn't be doing that.
Augustine,
I'll be setting a bad example for y'all.
Augustine going out of town with us.
When y'all going out of town, let me like.
You I'm finna hop up there.
Damn, where you come from?
Where you been at, Lil Yo? Come holler at me, Lil Yo. Come on my side.
He was on your live.
I know. Why didn't tell me you had Instagram? You don't be caring about this shit, bro? You got a lot of Instagram accounts.
What going on, y'all?
You doing my job?
But you want me to tell you my name though?
Tell me your Instagram now.
He got 2 on his Instagram. I see.
You be turned on your grand on.
My phone though. My name bad. It's big. It's big, y'all. It's big, y'all. SHG.
Straight up.
Touching the door, man. Y'all opening the door.
You look bad ass.
Y'all touching the door.
Don't do that, bro.
Touching. You opening the door.
Don't hit him. It's alright. Don't do it, gangster. Don't do it, gangster. She ready. You know she ready to jack. I don't know why you playing with her. Bye, man. I gotta have me some kids, man. Quit, y'all. What like it?
I push that nigga to the car.
Where the Todio at?
He in the house sleep, slobbing on the couch.
He in the house sleep. Go wake him up. Tell him Glock out here. Tell him Glock wants you.
You leave, I'm gonna take your head.
I ain't gonna leave you. I promise.
But you leave them, take your head off.
But she a little fake.
Huh? She be fake.
I didn't listen to your new song.
Which one? She like,
I watch all your
I just
Oh,
told you
no.
earlier before I got down here.
Where your brother go?
The only song I've been watching is Son of a Gun. He on the bike.
You been on Son of a Gun.
I'm glad he got bull.
Where your dad is, man? I see your dad just bought a new whip, man. Look out. Yeah. Pull up on me like that again. You hear what she said?
Alright, don't be talking about you pop down now.
Hey.
Talk about her.
I know she dead serious. She's like, I'm just gonna call you when I'm on the way. What's the word? You slide, my boy. You getting around though. Fucking man, some of these niggas still walking. Shit, what you finna do? I'm chilling.
There he goes.
I ain't got these John juiced up no more. You don't be doing.
Then police, I know police spooked the nigga over here.
Yeah, when
I mind it. I be going to hotels now. And I do it out of them sometimes.
Little jumps around her and shit.
That gentleman.
That's your phone?
Both of these jumps. All 3 of them.
I don't see no 3.
Hello.
My boy with the band deal.
What's the word? Where you at?
Man,
It rolled through your hood. Ain't nobody out there.
Man, I'm riding through that motherfucker. Ain't nobody out over here, though.
I ain't nobody over there. That dry ball.
That motherfucker so dry. You know, they got the boxing yesterday. You didn't see the boxing match?
I finna see.
Let Junior sit there got the boxing.
I finna see my pen pull up on him.
Alright, drop your pen, pull up on it.
That big got some money. That big got Gucci feet, man.
What's up? You right here, cuz. What you doing? You got it. You can have it.
Hell no.
I swear. This is like hell no. Hey, scoot on. Let me see the mirror. Let me see who back there. Yeah, I know y'all gotta let me know when y'all see the police. Y'all gotta let me know. Cause I can't see like that.
Your pilot come down here. You want me to tell you my number? My number here now. Get it.
Yeah, wait till I get out live. You hear me? What's up, Scott?
They got Tanya.
Huh? Shit in the south. Where you at? Watch that car, man. Huh? What'd you say, my boy? I just left from over there. I'm right over here where we was at the other night. Yeah.
What he say? You finna give us some money?
Yeah.
Hey, why can't get my number on that phone?
Hold on. Where your phone at?
My phone dead. They stealing my number.
Your phone on?
You can't make you do nothing.
Your phone on there, yo?
He was trying to explain it to me. I was like, bro, I fuck with you. I can't fuck with you like I want to. You ain't know what we on. Everybody just around me. Well, around us, we on the same shit. I said, bro, even Simeon and then went.
That's why I put it out.
Knock it out.
Nah, I be telling that while I swung to that right here.
I told you for 13 of the
If I don't want to hear this shit, man. Get your ass up the street.
We gonna be around there, bro. Y'all ain't gotta do that.
She just can't read that little part. They mad as hell.
Yeah. Bad as hell.
I'm gonna call that little thing right back there. God said we can come down here. What's up, y'all nigga? You want some sleepy shit? You want some sleepy shit? Yo. Today? When you want it? When you want it? I'll be waiting on you. Yo. You know that.
She be trying to talk pussy.
Milk.
He dropped.
What's your look good?
My
Hold on. Don't stay in on here. Where your phone at? You can give you my number. You did? Damn, man, you gotta keep that joint on charger, player. Full of that grain. I want to move.
Yeah, who got it? You want 245?
I can't drink that shit, man.
I'm not the
Yeah, your mama gonna get you.
My mama my number is
She just left, so what?
29.
So you gonna sneak back down here?
I'm okay.
You okay?
My number 901-283.
Hold on, no. These folks on here crazy, man. They gonna be calling you, bro.
y'all just throw that hoe down here.
Nah, that hoe still out here.
Deal. See y'all going, bro? See y'all going?
They woke you up.
Get into it.
Where you live?
What's new,
I live out of space.
I don't live out of space and there's too much out there.
That's what I was trying
Out of
to
space?
I heard all y'all got new cars on the
Live
block.
out of space?
How come I can't?
Because you wouldn't have been living with them aliens out there.
Nigga, I'm an alien, nigga.
Nigga, how you an alien? Would be like this.
My ears would be like, what?
Your early one been like this.
If I was an alien?
Yeah.
So that mean y'all aliens. Y'all ears like that.
I'm not no alien. My ears not like
That's how I live.
Stop it, my ears not like this.
Nah, you stop it.
Hello. He with ED.
Nah, true. Man, y'all ain't trying to fight these balloons up, man. Go on the other side so they won't say nothing.
I just called him over.
I'm gonna have y'all. Y'all gonna be up here with me.
They said you been down here lunching, bro.
Lil Fire. What's wrong, Lil Fire?
Shit, bro. Go it all, bro.
They just don't know you, Lil Fire, don't you? That's what it is.
Just say if I go on that fool, I'm talking to you and I say something, you'll be out these things, you'll be like, bitch, ain't talking about shit. What you finna do?
I'm like, oh, bro, I didn't put my bitch, but I ain't
Hold on, Darryl, now come here. They got some, bring your picture.
I'm putting nigga in that club, like, hold on, bro, I need to set my bitch. Then if a nigga keep doing
So me and him, we cousins, fool, so.
nah, that's why he walked out.
Nah, this fucking shit, but other people got in the fool, JJ came up.
Yeah, what it is. Other motherfucker. What y'all doing?
Ain't nobody else got nothing to do with it, fool. It's my little brother, fool. Why is everybody else getting in the business? It's my little brother, fool. They don't understand.
Jay Savage, nigga, I'll take your fans. Goof ass nigga, I got fans that'll whack you. Stupid ass.
That's the fuck up. I fucked up on that. I understand it. I feel bad. It was my fault. I'm a bigger bro.
Holiday season!
Rich niggas is back. East Atlanta royalty right here. I know y'all love it when we get together. Let's get him, Gooch.
I'm walking with my scrub, I give a fuck a nigga surge. Don't keep it in the car, I got that pistol on purse. You bitch rock a free, it's the fucking wrong person. Run up on Gucci, man, you be another dead person. I dump him in the river, not a whole city search. That AK hit his ass and now that nigga need a search.
260
I be in this club, then I'm gon' shut it down early. Scene was so sick that the police start early. It's holiday season, bitch.
Undisputed dynamic duo in the building. Stand up for this shit, man.
Lil Pat, was you in the you was in the penal with Darrell?
Huh?
Or Darrell in the penal when you was in there?
Still on Darrell get out next year.
I know.
He in the nigga.
Where he was on?
He down now. He on the 80 85.
He showed at me about you.
John down now.
Nah, I know he off. He
got A4, he got.
I know, bro.
He got A4, he still the same. He got skinnier, like.
Yeah, I know. That's what that shit do to a nigga though.
I ain't gonna lie, fool.
That shit either gone.
He crazy though.
Nah, I know. He institutionalized.
He
Show.
still do the same thing, cuz. I ain't stand away, cuz. Oh God.
He showed he had DM me. He was like, man, you in Memphis? You seen Lil Pat? I've been waiting to see your ass to tell you though.
I ain't going to
Yeah, the more boring and shit up. Hello? What's up with him? Man, I know exactly who this is, nigga. I just got in there. Yeah, I roll down your grandma's street.
Oh, I can't say what I want to say. I
just saying that nigga.
Her girlfriend played.
Shit, no. Solo.
Bruh. She was trying so bad to be
Yeah.
She
Just talking about your ass call. Nigga on the phone there, little pie.
Darrell.
You on the phone there? Darrell? Hold on.
What's up, bro? What's going on?
Look at them guys.
Shit on the block.
You got a big week.
Look girl.
What's the word?
What's going on?
Morning here.
Hey, Ralph, what's up? Squidward, what do, my nigga?
Duper smoking the man.
Yeah, he right here. What's up, cuz?
What they doing over there?
What you doing? Pooka do. I ain't seen you in forever, young nigga.
Yeah, Pooka do. Stupid do.
That boy grown.
Yeah, grown man. I ain't got that so long. You see how dirty it is?
I ain't seen. We had to buy that and turn to MLK.
What's on the dads of there? 200.
Yeah, he ain't safe.
Okay, so goddamn clean, man. Man, look at the east side ain't big. Man, how hard it is.
Who they go? Hey, cuz, be safe.
What's up with you, alright? What you been do, Glock?
I'm chilling, fool. You know what ain't nothing to do out here. See, I'm chilling. You know what ain't nothing to do out here.
Shit.
I've been doing this for 5 years.
Dang. What bro you at there?
Shit, Atlanta.
Still out and about.
Huh?
Still out and about.
I gave you the key.
You know every time you down, I gotta pull down, man.
You want to see me ride through Cashback?
Every time.
How long you been there? 2-3 hours.
I think I ready.
That's a bad motherfucker. I don't know.
Right here.
That motherfucker, that a bad motherfucker.
How long, real? With who?
I mean, what's the mom?
You already know what he's doing. Same all the time. Yeah. I seen your dad over here about a week or two ago.
Hey, cuz.
Work.
I'm just to go. Fine. Fuck that. I got the camera. Go add me right now. Cutthroat JC. Cutthroat_JC. Go add me on God. Fucking page up on God. You hear me? Juice my page up. You hear me? Glock big cousin. You hear me? Go juice my page up right now. Cutthroat JC. You hear me? No cap. On God he is. No cap, little John. He the GOAT.
I got you, girl.
He got the back seat.
Man, your baby said he ain't want to get back in the camera, so you fucked. Fuck you talking about. Bitch, go add me. That's what you can go do. Fuck you talking about.
Biggest gangster of the city, Common Sky,
What fuck? Here, get to another rapper.
Plug him in line so he finish in the bigger low. Throw him in the slam like his ass on nigga load. 100 round drum, I ain't never had to reload.
You doing that?
Head hunch, they trying to give me the Rico. They're like, brrr.
What is that, alcohol?
Them folks see me easily getting saying brrr. I'm not Pooh Icy, cuz. I am double R.
Whole lot of 18 shit.
These folks fucked up.
Where you been at?
Them folks, Icy boy. What that is got you like that? What that is?
You really ready to see
Right.
us?
Y'all ain't coming like that, I ain't.
Come on, stop it.
Trip press. Shit had you looking like me, dude.
My young nigga, come on, man. I'm shell shot like a motherfucker. You want to get the scream and chase the cats and shit.
Man, you need to go flip a horse, dude. I
No, I'm Big Sky. I'm not Pusha. Go look me up.
I'm on security. What's wrong with you? That type of shit get niggas shot. I'm so
This one say old boy coughing out that game like he got corona.
oh God, I'm gonna stay at the beat and let's go. Neil Armstrong. This is shit that had Martin Luther King into it. On everything. Okay, y'all try the best thing.
That's about she want Glock back. Bitch, you ain't even got him.
This one in here.
Bitch, you ain't got no battery.
Hold on.
Man, Glock so fucking ice on my
They got pop.
Who it is? Y'all know who that is?
That's that. Listen. No.
And he got the whole tenant?
Yeah, he come through so clean.
Oh, you ain't seen it before?
You wanna go put around in?
Yeah, you gotta go put around in the joint. I ain't seen everything with the joint.
I'm gonna go put around in the
He ripped the hot down and died. I was like, I'm about mad at hell, Scott. You just don't know. I'm ready to sue. I hit my head and everything.
Is your phone, Jesse? Is your phone too?
It's on. Jesse.
Huh?
Let's go. That's my brother right there. Look at him. Motherfucking brother.
What y'all talking about?
What you say?
Oh, yeah.
My motherfucking brother. Hey, what I finna say?
Real killer, no cap. Huh?
Hey, fool. What I finna say?
Glock, sit here and get back on the phone till y'all add me, bro. You hear me? So y'all need to go add me while y'all asking where he is. Once y'all add me, I'm gonna hear me. I'm waiting on. I'm trying to get something for my brother. What do? God straight.
Let me see it. Oh, good. Talking about shit, red light,
On the ground.
Nah, I ain't doing all that. I ain't gonna lie to
Who came? Your bitch playing off your phone or here?
Damn, Darrell, how you do this shit?
Hey, what niggas? 100-some days in. I'm cool in the city. Hey, Glock.
What you doing, man?
Hey,
Lil Pop.
what's up with my homeboy, bro? Check it out.
Yeah, man. What's going on?
I got
man?
CJ in the car with you.
Man.
Hey, try what's up, nigga?
Hey, bro.
Yeah, them folks on the block. What's going on, man?
I'm quarantining.
Yeah, man.
All this sex, fool.
Yeah, man.
I'm quarantining.
Hey, Darrell.
Hey, what's up?
Got her and it crazy. It be growing in her.
Huh?
Hey, I got like 100 days extra. Hey, Glock, look at this shit.
Let me see.
Staying away from this shit.
Now, niggas don't even know nothing about this shit.
Niggas don't know nothing about swinging them lockers. Niggas don't know nothing about this shit. Hey. Hey, hey.
Hey, hot.
You know what I'm
It's
saying?
up though. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, for sure.
Got you, my boy.
I fuck around and I can get the police down and pop this door.
Huh?
I said I can do what I want to do now.
Man, we been like that shit.
Hey, I fuck
like
around,
that,
cut my
boy.
mustache off, bro. Bullshit.
Now you a motherfucker.
I cut my shit off. Hey, they won't let us get no haircut.
You said they won't let you get no haircut?
Now they won't let us get no haircut. You know, we quarantining.
I don't even understand how the fuck that shit can get in the jail.
Man, that shit all in the jail, bro.
You know the guards don't be wanting to.
I'm
talking about that corona
hey.
shit in the jail.
Yeah, this shit in the jail for sure. I got 1,000 masks, man. I got 1,000 masks. I can't get sick. I gotta make it back out there. I got 1,000 of them hoes.
Selling hoes and everything.
he said he's selling. I got 1,000. Hey, I keep my mans whenever. Hey, Glock.
Yo.
Hey, check this out right here. Check this out. Check me out here. Hey, Glock.
Yeah.
Hey, I might get this nigga to walk me. Out the jail. Hey, check this out. I'm gonna show you how juiced up. We've been like this since we were young.
You know that had a price, it would have been paid.
Oh yeah, for sure. Hey, we been like this. Hey, we been like this since we were young. Just check me out though.
Oh God.
I just check my work. Hey, watch this. I Taylor. Come here. Hey, watch this. Nigga. You gonna say that boy to go for real? He need to just leave his name to go here.
Uh-huh.
Hey, I'm telling you, I don't even know how the fuck I'm in jail, bro.